way when I see your face.
Thanks for coming over, Molly. No problem. You're being nice so far. Not all the time. I mean, all the time. I don't know. I'm not nice all the time. It's just that I really don't have anyone to talk to, and you're the first person I talked to in so long. I can't say I felt the same. I mean, you know, you just gotta get through it. You're being funny. You know, I'm just trying to have the best time. Get away from all the chaos. Yeah. So, what do you want to do? Shouldn't I be asking you that? Let me restart. What do you want to do? Okay, how about we watch a movie? What type of movie? How about Twilight? Okay, what movie do you want to watch? Because you're basically saying no. Hey, I didn't give you an answer. All I gave you was a not an answer. Still, wait, you're just being slow, like, okay, never mind. What movie do you want to watch? How about Dragons in the Caribbean? Is that scary? Hold on. Why are you on the floor? I can't stand on the couch. Whatever couch you have is so, like, comfortable, but my feet just won't keep steady. Oh. Okay, what movie do you want to watch? You said Dragons in the Caribbean, so I guess I'll go with that if it's not scary. You scared? No. I'm tough. Are you sure you're tough? Tough? Okay, stop teasing me. It's not funny. It's not funny. I guess it is. Okay, fine. I'll sit on this side. Yeah, that side is a little bit more. Oh, this movie is so long. Is it longer than Titanic? No. Why? I guess I'm not into it as much as I would have been. Twilight. I want to watch Twilight. But it's fine. You asked me what movie, so I picked. You had a chance to pick. I said Twilight, you said no. So even if I would have picked Twilight, you still wouldn't have agreed with it. Oh my god. That is such a pretty dragon. He's so cute. I don't know what I would do. He's just so perfect. Yeah. Pretty dragon. I'm home, Sunny. Boy. Oh! Ethan! You have a date! Mom, what is up with you and that squeaky voice every time someone comes over? What do you mean? I'm not excited that you have someone over. I'm not surprised. Mom, get out. Okay, I'll get out. It's my house. I go where I please. I will not get out. You thought I was going to listen to you. You are not going to sit here in front of this girl and embarrass me in front of your girlfriend. What makes you think she's my girlfriend? Why can't she just be my friend? Why do you always have to think everyone's my girlfriend? Mom, just butt out, please. Have fun with your date. Didn't mean to interrupt. You're acting like my ex. Quit doing that. You're acting like your ex? I'd be dead on the floor right now if I was your ex. That poor girl had a right to break up with you. You're so boring. Why did I have to have a boring child? I'll just go into the other room while you chat. No, dear. I was just about to leave. You can go back. I'm sorry. It's just that someone is a little bossy of their mother. I'm sorry, dear. I didn't mean to make you feel uncomfortable. No, it is, I'll move. I fell off the couch because of you. Because I'm tired of hearing your mouth. Ow! Why did you have to pull me off the couch? You're not going to disrespect me in front of her, young man. You are the young man, I am the woman. I am the parent, you are the child. You are to listen to me and what my commands are. I'm not your father. I'm your mother. And you shouldn't treat a woman like that. What is your problem? Especially your mother. I'm the one who brought you here. Why can't you have some respect? Mom, I am a teenager. I am 17. I deserve my space as well as you do. Yes, but I deserve not to be bossed around by my child is what I deserve. Not to be treated like I'm your slave. I wish I could tell more possible reasons that you're making me mad, but no, I can't tell you that because you'll throw a mother fit. Oh, wow. Now excuse me before she leaves. I need to drive. I need to drive. I need to drive. I need to go. I need to leave. Are you okay? I could be better. Okay. Well, I'll be back. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? No answer. I'll just sit here. Oh, what is that? My phone. Please do not fall off the camera. Hey, what are you doing? Nothing. Ah! I'm okay. I just slipped. Can you stop trying to look at my phone?
I'm hoping, praying, wishing when I could give you what you need. Baby, we're all or nothing. Yeah, there's no in between with you. Baby, we're all or nothing. Yeah, I'm caught in these feelings with you.
Likey